The English alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. What's your name? My name's Michael Smith. Spell your name. M-I-C-H-A-E-L. Spell your last name. S-M-I-T-H. I'm a student. Good. I'm a good student. Simple question. Am I a good student? Affirmative answer. Yes, I'm a good student. Negative answer. No, I'm not a good student. Question what? What am I? Answer. I'm a good student. You are a driver. Taxi. You are a taxi driver. Simple question. Are you a taxi driver? Affirmative answer. Yes, you are a taxi driver. Negative answer. No, you are not a taxi driver. Question what? What are you? Answer. You are a taxi driver. She's a chef. French. She's a French chef. Simple question. Is she a French chef? Affirmative answer. Yes, she's a French chef. Negative answer. No, she's not a French chef. Question what? What is she? Answer. She's a French chef. He's a doctor. Medical. He's a medical doctor. Simple question. Is he a medical doctor? Affirmative answer. Yes, he's a medical doctor. Negative answer. No, he's not a medical doctor. Question what? What is he? Answer. He's a medical doctor. It's a car. Beautiful. It's a beautiful car. Simple question. Is it a beautiful car? Affirmative answer. Yes, it's a beautiful car. Negative answer. No, it's not a beautiful car. Question what? What is it? Answer. It's a beautiful car. We're teachers. English. We're English teachers. Simple question. Are we English teachers? Affirmative answer. Yes, we're English teachers. Negative answer. No, we're not English teachers. Question what? What are we? Answer. We're English teachers. They're dolphins. Intelligent. They are intelligent dolphins. Simple question. Are they intelligent dolphins? Affirmative answer. Yes, they are intelligent dolphins. Negative answer. No, they are not intelligent dolphins. Question what? What are they? Answer. They are intelligent dolphins. This is a book. Blue. This is a blue book. Simple question. Is this a blue book? Affirmative answer. Yes, it is. It's a blue book. Simple question. Is this a red book? Negative answer. No, it isn't. It isn't a red book. Question: what color? What color book is it? Answer: this is a blue book. Question: or is this a book or a red book? Answer: this is a blue book. That is a pencil. Yellow. That's a yellow pencil. Simple question. Is that a yellow pencil? Affirmative answer. Yes, it is. It's a yellow pencil. Simple question. Is that a green pencil? Negative answer. No, it isn't. It's not a green pencil. Question: what color? What color is it? Answer: that's a yellow pencil. Question: or is that a yellow or a green pencil? Answer: that's a yellow pencil. These are rabbits. Fat. These are fat rabbits. Simple question. Are these fat rabbits or are they fat rabbits? Affirmative answer. Yes, these are fat rabbits. Or yes, they are fat rabbits. Simple question. Thin. Are these thin rabbits or are they thin rabbits? Negative answer. No, these are not thin rabbits. Or no, they are not thin rabbits. Question: what? What are these? Or what are they? Answer: these are fat rabbits. Or they are fat rabbits. Question: or are these fat or thin rabbits? Or are they fat or thin rabbits? Answer: these are fat rabbits. Or they are fat rabbits. Those are buildings. High. Those are high buildings. Simple question. Are those high buildings or are they high buildings? Affirmative answer. Yes, those are high buildings. Or yes, they are high buildings. Simple question. Low. Are those low buildings or are they low buildings? Negative answer. No, those aren't low buildings. Or no, they aren't low buildings. Question: what? What are those? Or what are they? Answer: those are high buildings. Or they are high buildings. Question: or are those high or low buildings? Or are they high or low buildings? Answer: those are high buildings. Or they are high buildings. I'm Jenny. I'm 19 years old. I'm from Bogota. I'm from Colombia. I'm Colombian. I'm a university student. I'm an engineering student. I'm not a medicine student. My hair is short. My hair is black. My eyes are big. My eyes are light brown. My nose is small. My mouth is medium. My blouse is dark green. My pants are dark blue. You're Henry. You're 30 years old. You're from Kingston. You're from Jamaica. You're Jamaican. You're a businessman. You're a prosperous businessman. You aren't a poor businessman. Your hair is black. Your hair is curly. Your eyes are light brown. Your coat is gray. Your shirt is light blue. Your tie is red. Your shoes are black. Mary is a girl. She's 9 years old. She's from Miami. She's from the United States. She's American. She's an elementary student. She's a good girl. She's not a bad girl. Her eyes are green. Her nose is small. Her mouth is small. Her blouse is pink. Her skirt is red. Her socks are white. Her shoes are pink. Jimmy is a boy. He is 14 years old. He is from London. He is from the United Kingdom. He is British. He is a high school student. He is a clever boy. He's not a stupid boy. His hair is short. His hair is brown. His eyes are dark brown. His nose is medium size. His mouth is small. His shirt is yellow. His pants are dark gray. His shoes are dark blue and white. Dante is a dog. It's a Labrador dog. It's 5 years old. It's an obedient dog. It's a faithful dog. It's not a rude dog. Its hair is beige. Its hair is short. Its eyes are brown. Its nose is long. Its mouth is big. Its mind is noble. Tom and I are cousins. We're 18 years old. We're from Sydney. We're from Australia. We are Australians. We're soccer players. We're rapid soccer players. We aren't slow soccer players. Our hair is short. Our hair is brown. Our jerseys are light blue. Our trunks are black. Our socks are black. Our cleats are white. You're friends. You're from Rio de Janeiro. You're from Brazil. You're Brazilians. You're content people. You aren't unhappy people. Your faces are tanned. Your smiles are big. Your eyes are closed. Your hands are up. Kate and Kim are twins. They're 12 years old. They're from Toronto. They're from Canada. They're Canadians. They're middle school students. They're diligent students. They aren't lazy students. Their hair is red. Their hair is wavy. Their blouses are light blue. Their dresses are yellow. Their socks are red and pink. Their shoes are brown.